Would you believe me if I told you that you can start earning money online right after 12 without creating your own product, without managing inventory, and without handling customers? Sounds unreal, right? But today we are talking about a model that thousands of people are already using to make money online, and that is affiliate marketing. Let's start with the basics. Affiliate marketing is a way where you promote someone else's product, and when someone makes a purchase or takes an action through your link, you earn a commission. The product belongs to someone else, the customer belongs to someone else, and you create value in between and earn your share. Now let's understand how this works. There are usually three parties involved: the seller, the affiliate, and the consumer. The seller creates the product, the affiliate promotes it, and the consumer buys it. You are given a unique tracking link, and whenever someone purchases through that link, the system tracks it and credits the sale to you, which means you earn a commission. Now let's talk about the types of affiliate marketing, because not all affiliates work the same way. There's unattached affiliate marketing, where you have no direct connection with the product and rely mostly on ads and traffic. Then there's related affiliate marketing, where you promote products within your niche. And finally, there's the involved affiliate marketing, where you personally use the product, build trust, and then recommend it. This is the most powerful approach. Now, coming to how you actually earn. The most common model is pay per sale, where you earn a commission on every purchase. Then there's pay per lead, where you get paid when someone signs up or fills a form. There's also pay per click, where earnings are based on clicks, and in some cases, pay per install, especially for apps. The next important question is, where do you promote these products? You can use multiple channels. Blogging is a strong option, where you write detailed reviews and guides. Social media platforms like Instagram and YouTube help you build an audience through content. Email marketing allows you to connect directly with your audience. Basically, wherever attention exists, the opportunity exists. But this is where one key factor comes in: skill. A lot of people start affiliate marketing but don't know how to create content, run ads, or grow an audience. That's exactly where institutes like Nexpert School of Digital Marketing and AI focus on practical learning, helping you understand real campaigns and tools instead of just theory. If you want to succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to choose a clear niche, create valuable content consistently, and most importantly, build trust. People only buy through your links when they trust you. And patience is key, because this is not an overnight success game. Now let's talk about some common mistakes beginners often make. The first mistake is promoting random products just for commission without considering what the audience actually needs. The second mistake is not having a clear niche, which weakens your positioning and makes it harder to build authority. The third mistake is focusing only on selling instead of providing value, which eventually breaks trust in the long run. And one more important mistake is the lack of transparency. When you're using affiliate links, it's essential to clearly disclose it to your audience. Another important aspect today is AI. It's transforming affiliate marketing completely. You can generate content ideas, write blogs, analyze audiences, and optimize campaigns using AI. It speeds up repetitive work, but strategy and creativity still depend on you. And honestly, the future is moving in this direction, where digital marketing and AI work together. If you are serious about building a career in this space, structured learning and mentorship can make a huge difference. That's why institutes like Nexpert School of Digital Marketing and AI aim to make you job ready and future ready. So, the final takeaway is simple: affiliate marketing is a real and scalable income model, but it works only if you take it seriously. If you stay consistent, focus on your audience, and use the right tools, this can become a strong long term income stream. There are no shortcuts, but the potential is powerful. If you want more real, practical, no fluff content on making money online, digital marketing, and AI, make sure you like this video, share it with someone who needs this, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments what you want to learn next and if you're serious about growing in this space. Don't forget to explore structured learning at Nexpert School of Digital Marketing and AI. See you in the next one.